thunderstorm Gulab right now is 180 kilometer east southeast of Gopalpur and 240 kilometer east northeast of Kalingapatnam. Present position is this. So it will move nearly westwards and cross North Orissa South Andhra Pradesh coast today 26th of September around midnight. At the time of crossing coast, wind speed will be 75 to 85 km per hour, gusting 95 km per hour. From this system, West Bengal will not be affected. So therefore, on 26th and 27th, scattered thunderstorm activity over the districts of Gangetic, West Bengal. Rainfall will be slightly more in two districts only, that is in Purbo Medinipur and South Chobbish Pargana district, where isolated heavy rain may be there. Because of this system, along and off West Bengal coast, wind speed will be 40 to 50, gusting 60 km per hour, and sea condition will also be rough. So fishermen are advised not to venture into sea till further order. Rainfall will increase over Gangetic, West Bengal on 28th. So 28th we have issued heavy rainfall over east-west Mednapur, north-south Chobbish Pargana, Howrah, Hooghly, Kolkata and Jhargram. 29th rainfall will be more in the western part of West Bengal, that is Purulia, Bankura, Jhargram and western Bardhaman. So September, as of now, we have received plenty of rain, and further we are expecting rain on 28th. So because of this rainfall, likely impact may be the inundation of the low-lying areas of municipality and corporation. Water level may rise in the rivers and kacha roads may be damaged and standing vegetable crops in the field may be damaged. Advisory what we are issuing right now is the fishermen not to venture. Number 2, during lightning activity, people are advised to stay indoors and safe places. As there will be water logging, there may be a traffic congestion, so people should follow the traffic advisory if any before departure. And in Kolkata, avoid residing in old and dilapidated buildings, and above all, follow our website for regular update.